For the longest time, we had to do manual extraction, and it hurt, especially if you have little tiny pores, but we're taught to do that. So having an ultrasonic machine made the pore cleaning part a lot easier. Ultrasound is sound waves. When you're using ultrasound, we use distilled water. And when you apply ultrasonic waves, it spins it. And we're spinning it from about 24 to 28,000 cycles per second. And that is what's doing the exfoliation part, very gently. So unlike some of the other forms of exfoliation, we're really not abrading or hurting the outer layer of the skin. And if you think about the height of the wave, this is what they're doing, up and down. So when the wave goes down, it comes back up again. And what we see on the blade or the wand is all of the debris, all of this sebaceous matter. For estheticians, that's like, oh, wow, we can actually see it come right out of the pores. It was life-changing when we could do that. We're able to really clean the skin because ultrasound is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. You can see it clean immediately. So then that sets up for the next part, which is being able to infuse the right ingredients right into the cells. Very, very important. We were never able to do that before. So now we have a very clean surface. There's no bacteria. It looks fresher, and now we're able to open up the pores and put in the right ingredients to increase hydration.